So I woke up few minutes back, got freshen up, and time is somewhere around 10:35. Huh. So last night I was getting sleepless and I saw few stuff that the drama and all. Look, the marriage thing, if they really think that the drama and all, you ask the entire town, ask every person in town, ask every girl in town, ask everyone in town, the drama thing. एंड क्लियरेंस तो ऐसा बोल रहा हूँ और दे रहा नहीं हूँ ऐसा तो नहीं हूँ क्लियरेंस मेरे पेरेंट्स के पास ही रहेगा एकदम डिसेंटली जाके बात कर सकता है कोई भी हाँ एकदम डिसेंट वे ना ऐसा कोई दोस्ती झूठी दोस्ती का ड्रामा करना पड़ेगा ना कुछ एकदम डिसेंट वेरी डिसेंट फाइल्स वायरल है ये है वो है हमको क्लियरेंस दे दो सीधे सीधे बात करो मैंने भी वैसे बात करके रखा है कोई आया तो मना नहीं करना ये टेरिटरी का जो तुम जानते हैं ये जो जानते यहाँ के लोग हैं मना नहीं करना अपने लाइफ तो खराब तो ये भी कोई ये नहीं है ना मैरिज थिंग व्हाई डोंट यू आस्क माय ओन पेरेंट्स कि मैं कैसे व्हाट हैपेंस मेरे को नहीं बताने का व्हाट हैपेंस जस्ट आस्क एंड फ्रॉम पास्ट 10 years ask every girl in my town what about the marriage thing every girl I don't know I cannot tell about every girl but everyone most of them who knows me so ask about why I don't want to get married from past 10 years why I am doing this you get your answer and what look I exposed that night that's why I got clearance so fast and it is what without reports use it because everyone found out I kept on digging I'm still digging they thought they'll pick a fight and they'll reverse everything but they picked a fight on what basis nudes and that night itself they must have done something when I went into their prostitution racket so police gave the clearance very because I am digging I went on digging I don't care about my life I said so I went on digging that's the reason I got clearance without any reports it's nothing it's just in your head they said and the truth is out there so anyways but anyways you do one thing take I'll forget this matter now it's finished clearance is gone and there will be false stories about me and all making those edits and all those are the haters and they are creating their own haters because the truth is also out there they are creating their own haters not mine my haters are creating their own haters and I tell those guys that don't hurt them they बालिश बुद्धि के सिर्फ मुझे बदनाम देखना चाहते हैं क्या बोलते हैं मुझे क्या बोलते हैं हारा हुआ देखना चाहते हैं हारा हुआ कैसा मतलब अच्छा नहीं है ये ऐसा दिखाना चाहते हैं ऐसा पोर्ट्रे करना चाहते हैं एग्जैक्टली सेम लाइक द वेस्ट पीपल तो अभी क्या है मैं everywhere it's everywhere. And the pattern of my work, everyone saw how I work. How I work. I don't care where I'm going. The pattern of my work is quite different. Huh? That's the reason I got the clearance fast. Where are the reports made by the government? Government made no reports. They right away gave the clearance. That is just in your head. Huh? Recently speak with my mother. Recently, they want to show that I am paranoid. They spoke with my parents same way. The paranoid. I told my parents 2021 the existence of data is not there and it's published in magazine. And 2022 in the extraction report. So how did it happen? So they were like they are making you mad. This means like now you get it what it is. In police station also that special guy came there. He asked, "Do you have that extraction report?" Of course, everyone has that extraction report. Existence of data is from 2016 in Lenovo. 2021 is group, and 2022 you will see the publishing and all this stuff. So, and the best part was some of the content has been published already in a bigger platform, which they are any big Lord fucking star is gonna get fucked for it. No? What do you? I published on a big platform. No? Now you know why I got the clearance and why police wanna say that I am just a what do you call it? It's just in my head. That night I exposed the prostitution racket connected to sextortion. And the world has it now. You know what is going to happen? Any nudes made in those territories, the suspect are gonna get caught. Suspect from the petition. They started this nudity out in the public, so everyone knows them now. They made their name. I only played in their game, nothing else. I guess I lost or I won. What happened? So the matter is, I'll get that thing. They want to say it's just in my head. It's not a hack and nothing. So I did my job of going to police station. I did my job of going to the court. That's what the thing is. After that, I should not be bothered. I should not be, what do you call it? Any law or anything regarding using those files, nothing. And any nudes are made, that the suspects from the petition should be caught and should be arrested. They can go fuck themselves up. So then the drama thing is you get your life, what do you call it, settled. The marriage thing, huh? That's why they must be calling the drama thing. Ask everyone from my town. Everyone why I don't want to get married from past 10 years.